Guys, check this out. What's up? It's Mark. This is a shit. Forgot, because I'm in a rush right now. I got a new car arriving. It's my special top secret car that I was telling you guys about when I was dynoing the Mustang. It's arriving 20 minutes ago, so the transporter is sitting at my shop right now. I'm late. This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 4-door short bed LTZ with a 6.2 liter engine in it. Very, not super rare, because you guys are gonna kill me for saying rare, but it's pretty rare to find a 6.2. It's a beefy ass engine. It's got a tuner on it. It's got an Attitude, I think, tuner on it. It's got a full exhaust system. It's got a 4-inch lift kit or something like that. It's got an iron cross front bumper. It's got a set of XD wheels, BFGoodrich All Terrain tires. Super nice truck. This thing is one of the cleanest Silverados I had, especially being a 6.2. Inside and out, top to bottom, super clean truck. Truck is awesome. Let's go check it out. She's just a beast, honestly. Super friggin' nice truck. The paint is immaculate. I can't really describe how good the paint is just by showing you guys this video, because it does no justice. Door jambs are friggin' glossy red, beautiful. And I'll give you a hint, it's the same color as the car that's arriving here shortly. Yeah, edge tuner. It's got an edge tuner, Pioneer head unit. It's got remote start. It's got all-weather floor mats. Super clean inside. Leather seats, heated seats. Watch this, ready? Remote start. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1, start. Sounds beast as shit. It's got the side exit exhaust, LTZ, full tri-folding cover right here. Super nice truck. Rhino bed liner. Underside's clean as shit. Got a little bit of surface rust on it, but nothing too hateful, you know. Like I said, the 6.2, it's hard to find these trucks. They're really, what do you call it? Kind of a special order from the factory sort of thing. Evolution CTS. Truck has 130-some thousand miles, 135,000 miles. And you can adjust this too. You can, you know, tune it and whatnot. It gets up and goes. This truck friggin' moves, guys. Honestly, it moves. It's friggin'. You got the pedal adjustments here. You got the parking sensors, traction control. Look how clean it is. I mean, I just can't really describe to you guys how clean. It's got the folding mirrors in it. Self-folding mirrors with one button. It's got the turn signals built into the mirrors too, which I love. Really nice truck. Really nice truck. There's the VIN number. Super nice truck. You guys have any questions, holler at me. A little bit of rock chips on the front of the hood. It's got some decals on, like some Star Wars decals on the front hood or some shit, I don't know. Vortex 6.2 Volant cool air intake system. Freaking badass truck. 6.2 Chevy. There she is. Holler at me. I'll do a video on this again later. I'm just in a rush right now, so I just want to show you guys what's up. Over and out. This is Mark with the Chevy Silverado LTZ with the 6.2 liter engine in it. Over and out.